Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn object tracking using OpenCV in Python. So what is object tracking? Imagine you are at a wedding buffet and you spot the waiter carrying gulab jamun. What do? You lock eyes and no matter where he goes you track him. That's basically what object tracking is. OpenCV does the same thing but with code instead of your hungry eyes. Now, let me ask, how many of you have ever tracked your crush across the classroom pretending you are looking at the blackboard? Exactly. Congratulations, you have been doing object tracking long before OpenCV. The only difference is that OpenCV is less embarrassing when it gets caught. Here's how it actually works. We start with a video, either from your webcam or a file. Then you pick something you want to track. It could be a football, a moving car, or even your cat trying to jump on your laptop while you are coding. Once selected, OpenCV applies a tracking algorithm. There are a few algorithms, KCF, CSRT, MOSSE. They sound like secret government agencies, but really they are just different styles of predicting motion. Some are fast, some are accurate, some are like me when I am hungry, fast but not very reliable. Step by step, the process is explained. Number 1, capture the video. Coming down to number 2, draw a box around the object to be tracked. And number 3 is the tracker follows the object frame by frame as it moves. So, number 4, you see a bounding box on screen moving smoothly with the object. Now, let me explain. Let's make it interactive and I'll help you with all your queries. Pretend you're OpenCV. I move left. What do? You follow. I move right. You follow again. If I disappear behind a wall, you panic, right? Same with OpenCV. Sometimes the tracker loses the object and is like, boss, where you have gone? That's why combining detection plus tracking is better. It refines the objects like GPS saying recall or recalculating. Now, here's the fun part. What can we do with this? Build a camera that follows a football during a match. Make a robot follows a colored ball across the room. Or the most useful, set up a tracker on your fridge door so you know exactly who is stealing ice cream at midnight. Spoiler, it's probably you. But keep in mind, object tracking is not magic. If lighting changes or if the object looks too much like the background, the tracker gets confused. It's like me trying to find my black phone on a black sofa. It is just something like that. And that's, my friend, is object tracking with OpenCV Python. A simple but powerful idea that lets computers follow things around without being a creepy. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. Otherwise, I'll train my tracker to follow your face every time you open YouTube.